Ariao Glades. I'm from Serere District, Kadungulu Sub-County, Iruko Parish, Ojomai Village. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was operating a small hotel and selling some small stuff of feeds. In a hotel, I could make juice, porridge made of soya, and in feeds, I could sell poultry feeds. I chose to join Leisure Farm in order to get skills of making feeds for different farms like poultry, piggery, and even fish. I got information from my parish chief. We have learned how to keep a black soldier fly. In Feedmill Industry, we have learned to make poultry feeds, like we roast soya in order to reduce enzyme trypsin, which inhibits digestion. After roasting soya, we grind it and grind even maize, then we mix in order to get a poultry feed. What I've learned apart from Feedmill Industry, I've learned to make necklaces, bangles out of beads, and even key holders from a thread. I have learned business compliance. In business compliance is to open your business with the laws, following the regulations and the laws of an area. For example, in business, before you start up your business, get a business name, register it, and even open business accounts. When I go back to my village, I'm ready to teach other women how to make poultry feeds and even teach the laws of the business. My appreciation goes to Gudie Leisure Farm because of bringing me here. I've also got skills of making bangles, necklaces, feeds, and we are going to even make food for human beings.